Oh, I didn't see you there. Hello. Esco Optics turned 65 this year, and that means we have honed our craft and we're focused on our customers, you. Guys, this isn't right. This isn't working. Esco Optics has been around since 1955. That means we know how to make some precision optics.
Hey Lee, 100,000-piece order.
2 weeks.
8-inch diameter A-sphere.
No problem. One. Hello? One, please. We're a well-polished team. Just look at Bruce. He's been here for 45 years. I love to taste the cerium in the morning. Here's our state-of-the-art metrology department. Hey, Em, what are you working on?
Testing witness samples.
Ruby. We have a large inventory of optical materials on hand just waiting for your order. Our new facility is set up to be as efficient as possible to save you time and money. Optics are complex. No other company provides the tools to make your job succeed like Esco. We have an optical calculator, an engineering guide, and an online quote tool. We love optics. That's why we make great optics. From catalog to all different custom optics. Windows, lenses, prisms, filters, wafers, and witness samples. At Esco, we live where passion meets precision.